In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connections on LinkedIn. Start on your LinkedIn feed, which is your homepage. Make sure you're signed in and can see your usual news updates and posts. From here, we'll use LinkedIn's built-in tools to find and connect with the right people. At the top of the page, click My Network. This section is designed to surface relevant suggestions based on your job, education, and mutual connections. You'll see cards for people you may know, along with a connect button on many of them. When you spot someone you want in your network, click Connect. That sends them an invitation to join your professional circle. If you notice a message button on a person's card instead of Connect, that typically means you're already connected or have access to message them directly. In that case, you can click Message to start a conversation with existing contacts. Otherwise, keep browsing and choosing Connect for people you'd like to add. You can continue building your network by repeating this process. Explore the suggestions and use the on screen prompts and sections that highlight classmates, colleagues, or people in your industry. These curated areas are helpful shortcuts to relevant connections without having to search from scratch. If you want to learn more about someone before connecting, click their profile. On the profile page, you'll again see an option like Connect or, in some cases, Message. If Message appears, feel free to reach out if it's appropriate. If Connect is available, click it to begin the invitation. Sometimes you'll see a choice to Add, which functions like sending a connection invite from a suggestion card. Choose that when it appears to keep growing your network. When LinkedIn offers you the option to add a note or send without a note, I recommend adding a brief, friendly message. Click Add a Note to your invitation and type something concise that explains why you'd like to connect. For example, you might mention a shared company, school, or professional interest and a line about how you hope to stay in touch or learn from each other. Aim for 1 to 2 sentences, clear, polite, and specific. Once your note looks good, click Send. Your invitation will go out and you'll be notified if it's accepted. From there, you can follow up with a thank you message and continue the conversation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.